Do you struggle with high blood pressure? Are you tired of relying on medications that come with side effects? Look no further because we have the ultimate solution for you. Introducing the natural drink that effectively normalizes blood pressure. This incredible drink is packed with a powerhouse of fruits and vegetables, carefully selected for their blood pressure-lowering properties. Each ingredient brings its own unique benefits to create a powerful blend that can improve your health. To prepare this natural drink, simply gather the following ingredients: fresh spinach, ripe bananas, juicy oranges, fragrant basil leaves, and a splash of purified water. Blend them together until you achieve a smooth and refreshing consistency. Now, pour the drink into a glass and get ready to experience the amazing benefits it can offer. This natural drink works wonders for your blood pressure due to its high potassium and magnesium content. These minerals play a vital role in regulating blood pressure levels. By regularly consuming this delicious drink, you can significantly reduce hypertension and maintain a healthy blood pressure. Plus, it tastes amazing. But don't just take our word for it. Monitor your blood pressure regularly and witness the impressive results for yourself. Remember, a healthy lifestyle goes hand in hand with managing blood pressure. Combine this natural drink with regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress-reducing techniques for optimal results. Say goodbye to high blood pressure and hello to a healthier you. Start incorporating this natural drink into your daily routine and experience the ultimate solution for normalizing your blood pressure. Thank you for watching this informative video. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips and tricks. Cheers to better health.